Hello friends, now I am going to discuss about digital supply chain management. I am going to show you over a circle diagram which is covering majority functionalities which are required into a supply chain. Now as the emerging technologies are coming up, everybody is thinking and talking about adoption of those technologies for digitization. Earlier, all these systems were in silos, and then when enterprise applications and supply chain management came into practice, these things got it into integrated. And now with the new technologies like cloud computing, mobility, analytics, we are moving towards a digital supply chain management. The basic of the complete digital supply management is broken up or shown it into about 5 different areas over here. The first, as we all know, the business starts with the market requirement, market predictions, demand forecasting, and demand planning. For every product or services, there is a market potential, and we work out based on two various technologies, the sales forecast, demand plan. Now to support to this market requirement, we use distribution and logistic practices. Distribution is required about the warehouse, the partners, the logistic providers, transportation, and this also requires a planning. We normally call it as a DRP or a distribution resources planning, because you need a distribution location, and then at that location, the products and quantities what we are going to store it out, then the space requirement, and then from over there the staff, and then the documentation for the inventory, dispatches, deliveries. So this also gets integrated to support the customers' requirement. And customers are expecting a right product, right quality, right quantity at a right time. Now to support to this, the next is operation management. Operation management is something like sales and operation planning to support to the customer's demand. You know market requirement based on to your lead times to manufacture the product, the lead time required to procure the material, lead times required to manufacture, test the product, pack the product, and then deliver it to depots, stockists, and all. So this is what is in the operation management. What is more important in digital supply chain is all this data is captured digitally and then uploaded into the cloud system, where cloud goes on sharing all this data across all the stakeholders. And that improves planning. So when we are talking about the digital supply chain, we want to improve the planning, and sales and operation planning requires inventory visibility across the supply chain, that is from customer to supplier. And in many cases, even the contract manufacturing also plays an important role, because you are also getting products manufactured from third party. They also come into your manufacturing location or may go directly to the warehouse also. But this also plays an important role. A real-time information about the process parameters in the manufacturing also plays an important role. And when we are talking about the regulatory industry, this is very important, because if your product quality is not up to the mark, then it requires a reprocessing or it may require a rework. So capturing all this operation management data in a real time is a very crucial thing. In fact, if you really look at it, each and every function is a very critical function to have a good, strong supply chain. You will manufacture the products if you get a good material in time, in quality, at a right price. So supply planning also plays an important role. In a present globalization, supply planning is more important, because you may be procuring materials not just from the country, but maybe importing also. And then sometimes you are depending only on one supplier. That creates a challenge in the supply planning. And most important, in a regulatory industry or a process industry, is maintaining the quality documentation or regulatory documentation. And this gives the confidence to the customer. And then customer centricity is definitely playing a role. Customers are assured that they get the right product, right quality, right quantity, in right time, at a right price. So this is what is becoming a very important issue. So what someone has to really look at into a digital supply chain is this 5 main factors or 5 different operations and areas which needs to be integrated. So that's the idea about giving a brief overview about the digital supply chain. Hope you have some idea. Feel free to contact us if you need more information. Please subscribe to our channel so that all future detailed videos you will get an intimation. I'm quite sure they will be all very useful in your digital supply chain planning. Thank you. Bye.